It's another bumper listing as far as the IPO space is concerned. Now remember, this is a very special IPO. It's a REIT, that is a real estate investment trust that has been listed on the exchanges. So we earlier already had Embassy REIT. Now we have Mindspace REIT. Now remember, it's a bumper listing when you're talking about how much the company raised. The company raised close to 4,500 crore rupees, out of which the offer for sale was close to 3,500 crore rupees and the fresh issue was close to 1,000 crore rupees, which the company said that it would mainly be used for debt repayment. So now what you're looking at is the listed share open trading at 302 rupees a share. That is a significant premium when you're talking about the kind of bumper listing that this particular stock has seen, almost a 10% premium. So in case you did get allotted, now remember the lot size or the number of shares you had to buy minimum was almost 200 shares at a time. So again, you're talking about a 10% rise as far as this particular listing is concerned. The stock continues to remain in focus, given the fact that this particular stock would most likely be looked as a quasi equity / debt instrument, given the fact that this is an REIT, and the main way in which investors look to take or look at this particular instrument is at the cash or the dividend yield that the company gives post its earnings. Just to tell you a little bit more about the company itself, this particular company is backed by the K. Raheja Corporation Group as well as Blackstone Group in India. Remember, Blackstone Group also has a significant amount of stake as far as Embassy REIT is concerned. In fact, in Mindspace REIT, what Embassy has is a slightly smaller stake compared to the amount they have as far as Embassy is concerned. So now if you're talking about the company's office portfolio, it has office portfolio located in 4 key markets in India. Presence in Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune as well as Chennai region, and the portfolio comprises of 23 million square feet of completed area, and another 2.8 million square feet is under construction area, and 3.6 million square feet that the company has earmarked for future development area. So now you're looking at the entire portfolio and comparing it to Embassy. Majority of the portfolio presence for Mindspace is in Hyderabad and Mumbai, whereas when you're talking about Embassy, it is mainly based out of Bangalore. Large portion of the dividend yield is in the form of dividends itself, whereas for Embassy, the cash yield is in the form of interest. Analysts are penciling in estimates of a yield projection of close to 6.8% for FY22, and the issue got oversubscribed quite significantly. In fact, a 13-time oversubscription. In fact, even before the IPO opened, a 55% subscription was seen from institutional investors as well as in the QIB space. So overall, it appears to be a very bumper listing, and the stock will remain in focus as only the second REIT to be listed on the Indian stock market exchanges.